Microsoft is the productivity and platform company for the mobile-first, cloud-first world. Microsoft will reinvent productivity to empower every person and every organization on the planet to do more and achieve more. Revolutionize your business in a digital world.
So today again we're talking about the transformation and the speed of change of technology and what that is doing to your businesses and to your roles. IT is no longer an afterthought. Technology is no longer an afterthought. It is the thought that drives a lot of the innovation and transformation in businesses.
Let's start by saying that the world is changing, and it's changing really, really fast. And we see several trends in the market that are fueling that change, right? The first one, it has to be with mobility. Everyone wants to be mobile. The second one has to be with social. Everyone wants to be connected with everyone else or with data from anywhere. The other one has to be with big data. We have so many data. 90% of the world's data has been produced in the last 2 years. And then we have cloud. That is another trend, but it's an enabler. And with cloud, you will be able to drive all that, to capture that new opportunity that is creating in the new world.
Guardian embarked on a project to move its mobile workers into the cloud, primarily because we needed an application or a product that would have been able to support our mobile workforce. Guardian Group, formerly known as Guardian Holdings Limited, is an integrated financial services company which focuses on life pensions and health insurance, as well as property and casualty insurance and asset management. We have a regional footprint, maybe more than 15 locations in over 10 countries, and we have an approximate staff of 2,500 or more employees. Approximately 40% or a little less than that are considered to be mobile. So we have a great number of employees that work remotely or need to be on the road to do their job. So we need to find innovative products that help us to support those employees in those situations. And Office 365 was one of the products that helped us to enable our mobile workforce to be productive in the field.
Today, customers are adopting cloud, they're adopting applications, services. Information resides not only on-premise, but on cloud and remotely. Users are becoming more and more mobile, and they need to access information that is not necessarily in the organization, that is residing in the cloud. They have to access applications by working or while working remotely from the office. And saying yes to all these trends like mobility and cloud adoption requires for you to have a very safe platform and to also be sure that users are working in a productive but a very safe way and in compliance with your policies and regulations.
You still need to make sure that your company data number one priority is safe and secure.
We are still concerned about the security of our data. Whether it resides in the cloud or whether it resides on premise, security of our data is always a concern for us.
Security and privacy are the biggest concerns of our customers. When they actually begin using our cloud solutions, those concerns are all moved away. And I'm going to explain why. First, it's important to understand that Microsoft will not read your data, will not use your data, will not share your data with any government, with any third party. Because for us, we understand that it is your data. We're only here to offer you a new platform to help you improve your business, to make you reach your maximum potential right there. We are applying the best practices in the world today to keep that data secure. So you can rest assured that Microsoft is here for you to having all that data secure, and that we will not be sharing that data with anyone because it is your data to manage.
IT now is not the only stakeholder that says this is how you need to revolutionize your business, this is how you should utilize technology to be more efficient. everyone has an opinion on how that can happen. Everyone knows this is how I've seen it work. I can video chat with my mother. I can do that with a client. I can email a document that my mom can fill out. I can do that with a client. Why can't we use a tablet, take it to a customer, have them fill out a form? IT doesn't have to fill that role anymore. And the ability for us to deploy those types of technologies are a lot more easy now through tools and accelerators that Microsoft provides.
So today, the way that modern businesses work is very different in terms of how users expect a different experience from technology. Users expect more from technology. The line between what they need in terms of technology on the personal level and on the work level is blurring every time more. They expect a more natural and intuitive experience, and they have access to a lot of information that they didn't have a couple of years or 1 year ago. We're seeing social media. We're seeing a lot of social communications be part of the day-to-day of our users, and our organization is exposed to that as well.
When we talk about revolutionize the digital era, it's about helping our customers to embrace all these trends and to move forward at the fast pace that we're moving. The radio took almost 40 years to reach 50 million users. Facebook took 2 years to reach 50 million users. So today's velocity of business is much, much faster than it used to be. And with that revolution, we're helping our customers to move at that pace.
Consumers, at the consumer level, we are a lot more comfortable with technology on the whole. We feel a lot more comfortable going online and purchasing products. We feel comfortable about posting personal details about ourselves to our friends and family, or even just into the public domain. And that transitions itself into the business life, into the business world. Our employees are these workers, are these persons that have that comfort level.
They would expect that on one single device, like be it a phone or a PC or a tablet, they can have their work files, they can have their collaboration tools, they can have their cloud access, their applications of line of business, but in that same device, they should have access to what is relevant for them on their personal side. And we need to understand from an organization perspective or an IT perspective how we can ensure that those experiences are provided in a secure and responsible way.
So Microsoft will help you to reduce costs, to be more agile, to have more speed, that will help you to capture the opportunity to get into this world that is moving really, really, really fast.
So the ability for us as an organization to revolutionize our business in this digital era, we can place firmly in the hands of our employees, who are the ones that directly interface with our customers. And they're the ones that have the pulse on what our customers want and what they expect from us, and how best they see us when we do come with these new types of technologies of tablets and being able to work online and collect their information and turn around an application in a short space of time, using cloud technology and using and leveraging things like Azure and 365.
Microsoft is unique in that it can help companies comprehensively capitalize on today's top trends with a connected, enterprise-grade solutions portfolio. And the vision and the strategy behind this represents an opportunity for all enterprises in Trinidad and Tobago and the wider Caribbean to reimagine the future of their business. Microsoft, mobile first, cloud first. Revolutionize your business in a digital world.